Welcome to the Pain Specialist Australia YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is about giving you information regarding chronic pain diagnosis, chronic pain treatment. And at this clinic, which is based in Melbourne, the north, the Heidelberg area, central, the Richmond area, and south, the Bayside area, we treat all forms of chronic pain. We specialise in complex chronic pain conditions, refractory chronic pain conditions, neuropathic pain conditions like complex regional pain syndrome, chronic pain after surgery. The big two surgeries are chronic pain after spinal surgery, chronic pain after knee replacement surgery, and of course the chronic pain after the other surgeries that commonly trigger chronic pain, like thoracotomy, breast surgery, hernia surgery, pelvic surgery. We have a multimodal, multidisciplinary approach. One of the things that is so important is to get the right diagnosis before you can get the right treatment. This channel is here for you. Please interact with us on our videos, share comments, thoughts, views, opinions. Tell us what you want to hear so that we can give you the content that you're looking for. And of course, if you're in Australia or round about the area and struggling with chronic pain, got nowhere to turn, reach out to us at our clinic to get the right diagnosis and a treatment plan.